Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing, but really like opening the December, the very last of the year, Earfleek. So it's finally like December, the year's coming to an end. I am hoping it is a very good pair of earrings. Last month I did like them, but I always forget every few months to go and check their inventory out. I haven't done it in a while, so probably before January the 15th, I need to do that. So, Earfleek is just a monthly earring subscription. You get one pair of earrings for $3.49. You get charged on the 15th, and they do ship on the 15th. And you might get it in 3 or 4 days, or it could be 2 weeks. You never know. Mine's been up to a month late. I guess getting lost. Or last month, they didn't even ship it out. I paid on the 15th. My debit card had got stolen, and they charged me on the 15th. But they didn't even ship them out until like sometime in December, and it only took like 2 or 3 days to get them. But it was weird. So we always get them in like the regular. They have like I think 2 terriers, and it's the first one comes in this cute little pink envelope for $3.49. And the other one is $9.99, and you get 1 pair of earrings. They're supposed to be better quality earrings, but in my opinion, I got the exact same pair of earrings that they get for the $9.99 one in my one for $3. So to me, it's really not worth it if I'm getting what they're getting. It's just weird. Okay, but they do have, like, you can pick if you like boho, if you like classic. I can't really remember what they all are because it's been like a year and since I've looked at that stuff. I did choose boho, but I don't get a lot of boho earrings. But I guess it is what it is. You just tell them what kind you like, and that's what they're supposed to send you. But the great thing, they do have an inventory that you can pick what kind of earrings you like, and by that, you can kind of get stuff you like. Okay, so we always get, ooh, there's an extra piece of, I think my cards fell on the floor. Yeah. So anymore, they send these little cards like to gift somebody so they can get a free pair of earrings, and you get, and I guess you get free something. Okay, so we always get this little card. It says, "Hey girl, here's a fun pair of earrings styled just for you. Hope you love your new bling. Share for a chance to win a free year." I never share. I share on here, but that's it. Okay, so they're always wrapped. Last month I got a little pair of gold earrings, and this month I did 2. Now if I can open it, seems like I'm having like the awfulest trouble getting stuff opened. And I've been working on my linings, and I don't know. It seems like I think I'm messing it up, Orser. Ooh, these are cute. So they're just little rings, like the first one is like 4, and they're put together, and then same size, 4 more, and then 3 loose ones. They're cute. So we will do a try on. Let me clean them, because you should always take alcohol and clean your earrings before you put them in your ears. We don't want no ear infections. You know, I kind of like these. I like the ones I got last month too. And I like these too. They kind of like go together, kind of. I don't really wear a lot of gold jewelry. I wear more sterling silver. I got gold. I've got more sterling silver, so I just wear it more. so they look good. And now, which I don't wear my Earfleek earrings a lot, but I've never had any trouble with them fading or turning my ears black or anything like that, because we know they're not real. Um, but I've never had that trouble. I've never had any kind of trouble with them bothering my ears. I've had Walmart earrings to bother me. I've had Kmart earrings to bother me. Normally, I can't really wear like a lot of earrings because they do, like, even cleaning them, they get my ears infected, they swell, they get knots on them. So I try to watch what I wear. But I've never had that trouble with their earrings, and hopefully I never do, because it is very painful. My first toe, really, I don't think anything bothers, but my second and third, everything bothers it, especially like this side is worse than this side, and I can wear probably anything up here and it don't bother me, but these two holes right here, I mean, the least little bit of something will bother them, so I always try to wear something like real sterling silver or real gold, so they don't, because a lot of people's got that problem. But I've never had no trouble with their earrings. But I do like them. I do think they're like really cute, and they'd go about like with anything, a gold chain, anything gold, they would go with. You could dress them up, you could dress them down, just really whatever. So I do like them, and they're just like a light gold. I like rose gold better, but you know, you get what you get. So, I will leave the referral link down below if anybody would like to try Earfleek for themselves. I know with this card it does say get a free pair. I think if, I don't know if that's how it goes. When I signed up, we got a half off, so I'm guessing they probably do still, like if they're giving a free pair of earrings. But I will leave my referral link, so you will either get a free pair of earrings or it will be half off. So I will leave that down in the description box. I paid $1.75 for my first pair, and I think really $3.49. It's really a nice gift to give yourself once a month. Get a new pair of earrings. What woman don't like getting new jewelry, even though it's not like expensive, but it is like cute and fun. Now I have got some that I've really not liked, but I blame myself for not looking through their inventory and seeing what they had, but that was my fault. But I hope you guys did like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.